it to real life data and check the references. And so we can talk to guys. Well, no swearing. You've got an audience.
Sorry. Juniors, no, vice champion.
Vice champion.
I won everything else,
Yeah.
but vice champion in the main championship.
Who did you beat?
Lando Norris.
Lando Norris. FP1. We had a slight delay in FP2, so I elected not to go out in FP2. I let Guy take the time, and Charlie did the tyre run. So, you know, going into...
Yeah, I tested for Williams and did Indy Lights and some IndyCar. And I was driving with Stephanie Hansen in Indy Lights, and kind of got to a bit of a crossroads in my career as to where to go next. And he suggested that, you know, we did a program to go and race at Le Mans 24 hours, which was something that I'd never really thought about. I thought it was something that kind of old men do, and you know, when you retire or whatever else. And anyway, when I did it, was kind of blown away by it. I thought, you know, what an amazing race. You know, what a test for both the cars and the driver and the team itself. So from then on, I was pretty much hooked into Le Mans. Really enjoyed it. And then I actually joined Bentley in 2001. I think it was like 27, 28 when they did the return to Le Mans 24 hours. And did that program for 3 years, obviously having success there with Bentley in 2003, and then again with Audi in 2004. And I've been racing sports cars ever since, mainly in America in the American Le Mans series. And then right through to like sort of 2014, and then I joined Bentley again, racing in the Blancpain GT series, so doing, you know, Nürburgring 24 hours, obviously Spa, Bathurst, all those kind of races. So the last sort of 5 or 6 years racing GT cars. Then I retired for a year, and then realised actually real work was too much hard work. So came back racing again beginning of this year, and now obviously racing with Mike with Ginetta in the World Endurance Championship. So just kind of getting back into it and really enjoying it. So.
Oh God, put me on the spot now.